Companies always ask, should I offer a discount? Well, the answer is, it depends. Let me explain. Can a discount help convince shoppers to complete their purchase? Absolutely. But that doesn't mean you should offer one. Each discount means you generate less profit per order. So when deciding whether and when to offer a discount, there are some things to consider. First, will you be doing other forms of retargeting, such as paid social and search? If so, these come with a much higher cost than sending an email. If you can save money on these other forms of retargeting due to offering a discount via email, it might be a no-brainer. Second, do you offer a discount for signing up for your emails? If you're willing to offer 10% when you aren't sure if you're going to purchase, why not make that same offer when they're so close to the finish line? Now, if you decide to offer a discount, it doesn't mean you need to offer it right away. There are smarter ways to incentivize in your abandoned cart messages. Instead of offering a discount in your first message, wait until the second or third message. Instead of offering a blanket discount, consider using a minimum order amount to qualify for the savings. This can also help increase your average order value. Now, there are some other strategies with discounts, which I'll talk about in a few minutes, but deciding on a simple form of discount, like a percentage off, is a great place to start. When deciding on a discount, understand there is no right or wrong answer. Make a decision that's best for your brand. Now that you have your messaging and discount strategy planned, you need to send your messages. But when should you send them?